I'm going to run a speed test comparison between Viper Cache and a competitor's plugin so you can see the raw difference in speed of our product versus what is considered one of the best on the market. Okay, so this is the website we'll be running the tests on. For this example, we'll be comparing Viper Cache with WP Rocket, which is a premium paid product that costs between $39 and $199 at the time of testing. So I've got both plugins installed, as you can see here, and we're going to use the pingdom speed test as results are more consistent than other platforms. But do take into account that all speed tests carried out using web testing apps vary with network traffic. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is run a control speed test on the website without any cache plugins activated, and this will take a few seconds as it's got to wait for the whole site to load. As you can see, it's taken 8.6 seconds to load without any cache enabled. So let's start with WP Rocket and enable it here. I see they have an update, so let's make sure this is done and running the latest version. And then we're going to leave it with the default settings. And then let's run the speed test again to see if it works as well as they say it does. So the test is now completed, and as you can see, it has made a great improvement and reduced the load time down to 2.85 seconds. Now let's deactivate WP Rocket and let's activate Viper Cache instead. Again, we're going to be totally hands off and just enable the plugin's default settings. As you can see, there is no complicated settings in Viper Cache. It's literally just one setting, and that's if your website is running SSL or not. So it's really very simple. Okay, so now that Viper Cache is activated, let's make sure the cache is loaded and let's run a speed test to see the results. Again, it will take a few moments to complete the test as it reloads the site. And as you can see, Viper Cache reduced the load time by 450% from the original speed test, and in this test it performed 77% faster than WP Rocket. Our point in this case is to show you that Viper Cache is every bit as good as the best cache on the market, and it's much easier to use than other products.